O, tingin dito Tingin sa kaliwa, sa kanan, sa ke. O, babay na babay. Hi, guys. Hi, guys! Ayan. Tapos na kami sa eye makeup. Cat eye yung ginawa ko sa kanya. Okay, balik kami sa next. Bye! Ulit-ulit tayo.
From the start.
Oh yeah, ito na nga. Gagamit tayo ng airbrush makeup from Bellocchio. Okay. Ang shade na gagamitin ko sa kanya is, ano sinabi ko kanina? Golden Tan, BF007. Dahil jowa niya si Mr. Tan. Charot.
Wish ko lang.
Ayan, few drops lang po. Actually, naglagay na ako kanina. Few drops lang. Later, baby.
I want to see the effects, how it looks like.
Okay.
Is it put too less? You need to test first. Use the one.
Use the tissue. Take
Yeah.
the tissue.
Nag-ano siya?
You need to test. Need to put like this. Put. Is it too less? Too less. Then on the. Wait Okay, then you try. Too less, then you can adjust here. Very little. Let me try.
Be naman ka, tiyaga ka dyan. Tiyaga ka dyan.
Kailangan
It's
i-ano mo
not
siya.
because of that.
Use on the tissue.
Yeah, here it should be the right one. And then wait a bit.
There.
Just now it's pressed too less. A little bit harder.
Ayan, meron na.
You're all the way out. I think here is too. You need to push harder. Not too much.
Okay, start na tayo. Ay, ayan. Ipil mo? Hindi, pigit lang, pigit lang. Still a bit less.
A bit less, then I will adjust.
Adjust.
Namatay yung logo niya.
Yeah.
You need to be closer.
Yeah, closer again.
Closer. Don't go too far.
Okay.
Para mag-blend.
This one it won't be feel uncomfortable because it's only the air. Somewhere need to be deeper than you need to.
Malamig.
Still have?
Still have. Kinis.
Ay, ganda ah.
Kinis, di ba?
Push.
Yan.
Takpan yung mga freckles. Yun. Done. Wow. Kinis.
It's just like it's very safe.
Huh?
Actually, it's very safe. It's very safe.
Yan.
No need too much. Then
No
they
need too
can
much,
just
yeah.
like.
It's the maximum worthy, right?
Yeah, I think so. I check on 26.
Ay, hindi niya umati ah.
Si ano yan eh, yung kumanta ng buwan.
Hi. Hi.
I go down and cut my hair.
Look for him.
Yeah.
Ayan na, sasabuyin natin siya ng Joy dishwashing liquid. May kasamang patis. O, sige, pigat. O, sa mga nagtatanong, MAC po yan. Fix All Day Hydrating Spray with vitamin C. Similan.
Similan.
Ayan, balik kami. Bye. Todo na to! Go! Yeah! Ayan, Christian Dior lip balm. Pati yung kanina, lip line from MAC. And nude lipstick from Christian Dior again. Ayan, balik kami sa buhok. Bye. Ayan, tingin dito ah. Tingin sa kaliwa ha. Sa kanan. Sa ke. Tingin pa sa uli sa ke. Tumingin nga. O tingin pa ikot-ikot. Okay, bye.